Përshëndetje dhe mirë se erdhët në kanalin Adaga Media. Sot jeni në rubrikën Adaga React dhe jeni me mua kanalin Leja CR7. Sot do reagojmë për njerëzit më të gjatë në botë, në histori, dhe do shikojmë se sa të gjatë janë, cilët janë ata e tjerë. Tani pa humbur shumë kohë, le të vazhdojmë.
The tallest people in the world. So you're telling me that you're tall, huh? Well, wait until you meet the people in this top 10. All of them pushed the envelope of height and almost reached the clouds. Check it out by yourself next. Number 10, Patrick Cotter O'Brien.
Tani, në renditjen e 10 është ky Patrick Cotter O'Brien, apo si shqiptohet pak a shumë kështu. Le ta shohim.
The size of Patrick Cotter O'Brien took the 19th century by storm. He was born in 1760, and there was no other man on earth that could read.
Ky njeriu ka lindur në 1760-ën.
His height since he was 8 feet 1 inch tall, eclipsing everyone around him. This giant came from Cork County in Ireland, and even though his real name
ka qenë shumë i gjatë, se s'ka pasur njeri më të gjatë se ai. Ka lindur në Irland.
It was Patrick Cotter. He adopted the name O'Brien to use it in his shows at the local circuses. Having his new name, he claimed to be a descendant of legendary giant Brian Boru, a personage.
Them se e kuptoni, pasi është në anglisht, nuk mund të gjeje në shqip, por le të vazhdojmë.
Irish history, but the performance came to an end since he died from the possible effects of gigantism. As there was no
Ka vdekur nga efektet e dëmshme të gigantizmit, pra ka disa efekte të këqija kur bësh shumë i gjatë, pra si në rastin e dhënë.
Casket for him, 14 men took turns to bear his remains to his resting place.
Pra ka qenë shumë i rëndë, sa 14 burra janë dashur që ta mbajnë. Pasi ka qenë shumë i gjatë, kështu që s'mund ta kishin mbajtur vetëm, për shembull, 6-7 veta, por 14.
Patrick specified in his will that he had to be buried 12 feet deep with solid rock, so exhumation of his body for scientific purposes couldn't be done.
Këto nuk janë shumë të rëndësishme, pra le të vazhdojmë tek tjetri, Adrau, i 9 në rënditje.
Everything's bigger in the United States, and there's no doubt that the men in this number have proved it. Bernard Coyne came from this country, where he was born in Iowa in 1897 and was 8 feet 2 inches tall. He was the tallest person who suffered from Marfan syndrome, which affects the body's connective tissue, and many people that suffer from it have disproportional and long limbs. Coyne died in 1921 and was buried in a specially made coffin. This country was also the birthplace of another human tower called Dan Kohler, who was 8 feet 2 inches tall. Kohler was born in
Pra, ky ka qenë njeri shumë i gjatë, edhe ky 2 metra 48, më duket si ishte.
Limbs. Coyne died in 1921 and was buried in a specially made coffin. This country was also the birthplace of another human tower called Dan Kohler, who was 8 feet 2 inches tall.
2 meter e 48 centimetër është shumë i gjatë, pra
was born in Denton, Montana in 1925, and ever since, people noticed that he was special. Once his growth was obviously excessive, he moved to Chicago to work and met the owner of Harlem Globetrotters, the basketball team that he made a world tour with. This big guy died in 1981 from heart failure, but Windy City will never forget his presence. Number 8,
Tani
Jeanette.
kalojmë tek i teti, Jeanette Ali. Le të shohim se sa i
Ali.
gjatë është ky dhe
You can find
informacione
a
për
lot
të.
of surprises in Bangladesh, and one of them is Jinnat Ali, who was the tallest man in that country. Jinnat Ali was 8 feet
2 metër e 29 centimetër, pra shumë i gjatë edhe ky. Këta njerëz janë
0.3
gjigantë, jo
inches
të
tall.
gjatë.
And oddly enough, at the age of 23, he didn't stop getting bigger.
Paka shumë këto njerëz nuk janë normal, pra kanë vuajtur ose vuajnë nëse do të ketë ndonjë që është prezent, pra gjallë, nga gjigantizmi, i cili ka edhe shumë pasoja të rënda të tjera, për shembull ke gishte shumë të gjatë, duar të gjata. Dhe kjo është pak problem.
So he had to eat 2.2 pounds of food a day to maintain the necessary muscular mass and weight to survive. He was diagnosed with acromegaly, which is a disorder that occurs when the body produces too much growth hormone in the pituitary gland. So he grew disproportionately since childhood. Unfortunately, in 2018, doctors advised Ali he had a brain tumor, and this information was devastating for the national figure. Ali died in April 2020 from complications of this tumor. Number 7.
Pra, ky ka vdekur nga tumori në tru dhe ka vdiq në 2020. Tani Sultan Kosen, këtë njoh, është i shtati. Le të shohim më shumë për të.
Sultan Kosen. Even though Sultan Kosen is not the tallest man ever, in 2009, Guinness World Records recognized his height, so he became the world's tallest living man, as he was 8 feet 2.82 inches.
2 metër e 50 centimetër është thjesht shumë gjigant. S'kemi që të themi, gjysma e 5 metrëshit, pra krahasim me gjatësinë normale është super shumë. Le të shohim më shumë për të.
Tall. He's that tall due to a condition that affected its growth hormone in the pituitary gland.
Pra, kaq i gjatë ka qenë, por normalisht ka pasur edhe probleme nga kjo gjë, nga gjigantizmi, ka ecur me paterica. Pra, nuk është një gjë shumë e bukur të jesh shumë i gjatë, pra gjatë mund të jesh normalisht, po jo gjigant si këta. Se i gjatë çdo kush do që t'jetë.
So, this Turkish man couldn't
Say
finish high school for that reason. His height gave him a big advantage at some things like seeing from far away and helping his family with household chores, such as hanging curtains and changing light bulbs. However, it was hard for him to find suitable clothes and a car where he could fully fit in because,
Normalisht
this
pasi
is...
rrobat nuk janë bërë për gjigant, por janë bërë për njerëz. Edhe pse këta njerëz janë, por pothuajse gjigant.
Almost an impossible mission. In 2013, Kosen married his Syrian girlfriend Merve Debo, and they have a good relationship. Incredible! Number 6, a draw.
Tani kemi Adrau, ky renditet në vendin e 6. Le të shohim më shumë për të.
Now I'm going to tell you about two giants that came from the two largest countries in the world. One of them is India that was home to Vikas Uppus, the tallest man in the history of India since he was 8 feet 3 inches tall. This man was born in the state of Haryana in 1986, and being strikingly tall made him a local celebrity. He was so famous he even played a role in the Bollywood movie Rang de Basante, released in 2000.
Nga gjatësia e tij ka luajtur edhe në një film. Pra, kaq i famshëm është bërë në atë kohë.
And now, coming from Canada, this is Edouard Beaupré, the giant of the nation. At 7, he was of average height, but at 9, he unexpectedly stood at 5.11 feet tall. Being 8 feet 3 inches tall caught the audience's
5 metër e, më falni, 2 metër e 51 centimetër është shumë.
attention at international circuses such as the Barnum and Bailey Circus. Unluckily for him, after signing a contract with the circus to perform an affair, Edward died at age 23 from a pulmonary hemorrhage.
Ka vdekur në shumë i ri, 23 vjeç, nga një hemorragji
Caused by tuberculosis.
Nga çfarë është shkaktuar, por tani videoja ka mbaruar pasi 5 vendet e tjera do t'i lëm për episodin e radhës, pra që do t'jetë javën e ardhshme. Ju faleminderit për 68 subscribers, pasi nuk është një numër i vogël, por synojmë edhe për më shumë. Synojmë për të paktën 80 këtë javë, kështu që pse jo mos të realizohet. Ju mos harroni të bëni like, comment, subscribe, gjithashtu dhe share, dhe shihemi në videot e radhës. Mirupafshim.